How to easily log into YouTube TV. Logging into YouTube TV is quick and simple. Here's how you can do it. Step 1. Open YouTube TV. Start by opening the YouTube TV app or website on your device. Step 2. Click Sign In. Look for the Sign In button, usually found at the top right corner, and click it. Step 3. Enter credentials. Input your email and password associated with your YouTube TV account. Step 4. Enjoy. Once logged in, you can start enjoying your favorite shows and channels right away. Troubleshooting tips. If you encounter any login issues, try checking your internet connection. Make sure your login credentials are correct. You can also reset your password if needed. Benefits of YouTube TV. With YouTube TV, you can enjoy live TV from 85+ channels, unlimited DVR space, and up to 6 accounts per household. There are no hidden fees, and you can cancel anytime. Explore features. After logging in, take time to explore various features such as creating profiles, browsing libraries, and setting up parental controls. You can also integrate it with smart devices for a seamless experience. Want to learn more? Explore more on our YouTube channel.